Yeah, why do you always deal with big insects and vermin?
Because I love you. I'm just showing you how it's done. One of these days you're gonna, maybe one day after I get tetanus, you'll be able to do this work for me.
Okay, good luck. May the force be with you.
CK.
Okay, he's getting scared.
Well, we just need to prop him the other way.
No, that does not work.
Honey, get the broom ready. Come here, buddy. Give me your tail. Okay. Come on. Ugh, it's just a baby rat. Give me your tail. This way. Go. Tom, get the broom ready.
I don't know what are you gonna do? Fling him off there and fling him at me?
Yeah, and then out the door.
He's not gonna just go out the door.
Yeah, he is. Okay.
Grab him, Leah.
I'm going to, honey.
Here's his tail.
It's wrapped around. Oh, he is so scared. He's staring at me. Just give me your tail, buddy.
Whoa!
Get him this way. Push him this way.
Where is he?
Over here, by my boat bag. Okay, ready? I'm gonna push him this way. You go that way.
He's going your way. He's going your way. No!
No!
He's in the bathroom.